Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share another journal with you, and this one is, I'm going to call it Flourish. So it's a journal called Flourish, and it has got lots of flip out pages which are envelopes, and I've used digital ephemera to do some other like flip pages. The journal, I actually didn't write the measurements down, so the journal is 8 by 4 3/4, so it's just slightly bigger than a traveller's notebook size. 40 pages front and back, but it is really chunky. It will be listed in my shop if you're interested. I have used lots of different like digital kits in this. This here is from ARTYmaze, and that is a freebie, and you can find that I think it's on a Facebook group and maybe her coffee shop, I'm not sure. It's the green collage. I think it might have been from May or June, something like that. Then here I've just got a topper that I made. This background paper is from MyPorchPrints, I think, and I think it's the Grandma's Attic, possibly. I can't remember, because I was pulling stuff out of my boxes of leftovers and scraps. Got a little bit of ARTYmaze here. This little card in the background is from Bohemian Crafting. Butterflies, ARTYmaze. This is from Bohemian Crafting. These little girls, there's a few of them throughout the journal. These are what I found over the years, like via Pinterest, and she's on there. It's all been stitched, as you can see. It has eyelets and string as a closure, and it's just really chunky. It got a bit out of control. This paper here is mine, and is that mine? Yes, that is mine, and that is on my coffee shop. What is that from now? I can't remember. Elements, the Elements kit, that's what it's from. So I've used that page in there. I've used some of ARTYmaze's again, because the greens, I was following a little route of green through this with blues and all sorts of colours. In fact, there's quite a lot of colours in this. So here the pocket is made from ARTYmaze's papers, and I've just stitched around. Here is from the new summer medley kit from ARTYmaze, and was it my last video? Yeah, my last video. You can see the other things that I've made with that kit as a design team project. These are ARTYmaze, that's a freebie. The card on the back there is printable. No, it's a freebie from the old design shop. I've put on some of this lace trim, little tiny paper clip with a little spacer bead on there, and that goes in there. Then here we've got a little tuck. This is a freebie from ARTYmaze. You can find that in her coffee shop. And then here, this is ARTYmaze's paper, double oval there with the lady in the middle, a butterfly, some journal space here. This is from Bohemian Crafting. Then this is a flip here. This was a little bit of leftover from something, and just made a little booklet with that, and I made a little belly band to go with it. So you could actually maybe tuck little things inside there. And then the belly band was just the little bit of leftover from what I trimmed off of here when I was making the cover, and I just popped a butterfly on there. So that's just a little notebook, and that just goes on like so. That goes in there, so you can journal on here and on there. This is a pocket, stenciled coffee dyed tag. This is the old design shop. I think that's the old design shop as well. Then I made a few of these, got a video on them. I will put it on the end of at the end of the video on the screen. I've used ARTYmaze's Summer Meadow kit, and you've got space in the back there as well. This is it's called Snippet Ephemera from Bohemian Crafting Shop. This is a freebie from ARTYmaze, so is that, and that they just sit inside there like so, and then that just goes around like that, and I've just paper clipped it on here. Oops, squashed that. This is a tag. This is a freebie from ARTYmaze. This is from a long time ago. I think that might be on her website, which is ARTYmaze. I don't know if it's .com or .co.uk. I can't remember. This is a flip up, flip down. You can journal, add a photo, do whatever you like with it. This is from Eva's shop, Etsy shop, from her Snippet Ephemera. These were stickers. These are from what's it called? Can't remember. Your Creative Studio. Oh my goodness, heat's getting to me. Journal space. Got a pocket there. This is some French ephemera. No, it's not. It's from the letter ephemera kit from ARTYmaze. So that goes in there. And then I had these printed out. I think they're a freebie from ARTYmaze. I just popped them onto some craft card and then I just popped them in there. Then the envelope there is a little tuck. So we have this lady here. It's a freebie from ARTYmaze on some digital from the old design shop. Some more of that kind of crocheted trim. Little bulb pin with the button. And this is from the Build a Cluster tag kit. And then here I just made this tag was from the Build a Cluster tag kit, and then I just kind of collaged on there and put this here is from Eva's shop. So is that. It was a whole kind of ticket and I covered it over. Some dictionary page and then this little cutie. And then here we have an envelope which is from with a note page, and that is from Your Creative Studio. I think that was that the month of May, March or May, I can't remember. This year's going really quickly, I think. In fact, we were talking, was it last night, I'm saying like how quickly these last 2 years have just flown in. So, oh, I've got to take that back off. That is a flip out, so you can journal on that. And then this is from the old design shop. I think it's the old design shop. And that's the blog. She has like a blog and you can get some freebies on there. And she's also got an Etsy store, which is, I've got everything linked down the bottom. This is from my Elements kit. And then here, this is ARTYmaze. Postcard from Tsunami Rose, and then this is some French ephemera from ARTYmaze, and that goes in there. And as you can see, I've done a little bit of stitching throughout the journal. Then here is another envelope flip, and we have a postcard. You've got a journal page and another one of these little tags that I made. That's the freebie from ARTYmaze. And then here we have, it's actually a double pocket, so this behind there and then here, and then obviously this stamped tag, and that goes in there. These are all stickers. They are all from Your Creative Studio, so I put them on. Little tag, that is from Build a Cluster tag kit. Centre of the signature. Then here we have, it's another envelope there from Your Creative Studio. Was it My Creative Studio? I can't. Oh, hang on a sec. Oh, I can't reach it. The boxes are sitting behind me. I need to sort them out so that they're right there, so I use more of them. Anyway, is it Your Creative Studio? I think it's Your Creative Studio. Yeah, I think it is. This is from the old design shop, and that is another flip like so, and obviously there's something else the other side of that. Oh yeah, tag. It's a tag. This is an ARTYmaze tag. This is from Build a Cluster tag kit, and then I've just used pieces that were left over. This ticket, which you can't really see, is from Bohemian Crafting, and she's one of the little girls that I found via Pinterest. This is from Eva's shop with her ephemera snippets. Then here we've got another pocket. We have a postcard there, Some more French ephemera from ARTYmaze. And that pops in there. And that again is from my Elements kit. Another flip envelope. Inside there, this is, I think I've done this one absolutely correct. It's the letter ephemera from ARTYmaze. And I managed to fold it all in the right way, she says. Now I can't get it opened. There we go. I think they're really neat. That was a really neat idea many moons ago. So yeah, that's the letter ephemera. And I take it that would be who it was sent from, and that is where it's going. And then that just folds into that. Could you imagine sending letters now like that? You know, with like privacy laws and stuff. Years ago, anyone could have read these, couldn't they? There we go. It took a little while to get that back in, but I thought that was neat. And another tag. And another window envelope. Double pockets. Tiffany & Co tag. And in the backs of them, it is a Spanish-English dictionary page. Stickers again are from Your Creative Studio. And then here we have another tag from the Build a Cluster tag kit. And then another one of these with a crocheted trim. Little tiny safety pin with another little like bead spacer bead, whatever you want to call it. That's a flip up, flip down, journal, add photos, tuck things in, keep it safe. This is from Eva's shop. That's actually from Eva's shop as well. That's her ephemera kit. It's not sitting well. I might have to put a little paper clip on that. I think it's because this journal got like kind of morphed out of control and got really chunky. And let's just put a little paper clip there. That will hold all that in place. So that is from ARTYmaze's website. That's a freebie from many moons ago. And then here we have another one of these, which is from the Summer Meadow kit. Aren't them tags pretty? And it's got a little pocket in the back there. And these are freebies from ARTYmaze, and they're just in there like so. And that just paper clips on. Let's put that in the middle a little bit. And that just paper clips on there. Move that around a little bit, didn't I? Another flip out pocket with a postcard. You can journal one there and decorate that, or journal on it, add a photo. Tag, which has been coffee dyed and stenciled. Little flip there, and another little flip. Little pocket there. We have, this is from Eva's shop, which is the Bohemian Crafting, but it's the ephemera snippets. Little tag there, freebie from ARTYmaze. Here we've got another envelope flip. And inside there we have just got this from ARTYmaze's French ephemera. Just folded and folded. Another little tag. And then here another pocket, so it's like a collage pocket. That's from one of ARTYmaze's kits, sorry. Another tag. That is from the Summer Meadows. Another one of these, that's got a little bulb pin and a button that doesn't want to play, so it's got a little button on there. And finally a little tag, and that is from my Elements kit. So, and the Elements kit is on my Ko-fi shop. So that is the journal, and like I said, this will be listed in my shop. If you're interested, you can find the links below, and if you have any questions, fire away. Be nice if you gave a thumbs up, be nice if you did comment, it all kind of helps my channel get noticed and things like that. So yeah, have a great day, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.